This is NexSAA, an AI-powered assessment and skill intelligence platform. In this video, we'll walk through how the question bank works end-to-end, from setting up programs and skill units to creating questions using AI or manually, and managing every question type in one structured system. Once you log in, you land on the NexSAA dashboard. From where, use the left navigation to move into the question bank, the central place where all questions are created, organized, and maintained. You notice the interface is clean and data-focused, designed to scale from a few questions to thousands without becoming cluttered. Before creating questions, NexSAA encourages a structured approach. You start by creating a program. A program can represent a university course, a hiring pipeline, or an upskilling initiative. Inside each program, you create modules. Modules group related areas of learning or skill evaluation. Within modules, you define skill units. Skill units represent the exact topic or competency where question will live. For example, Python basics, data visualization, or object-oriented program fundamentals. This hierarchy ensures every question is mapped to a real skill, not stored in isolation. Once inside a skill unit, you enter the question bank view. Here, all questions are visible in one place. You can switch between all questions, AI-generated, or manual tabs. On the right side, you'll see filters for question types, such as MCQs, true or false, checkboxes, descriptive, programming, file upload, and comprehensive questions. This makes it easy to review, audit, or reuse questions across assessments. To create questions faster, click Create Questions and choose Using AI. Here you select the question type and define the topic or source. NexSAA's AI generates relevant questions instantly, aligned to the select skill unit. These AI-generated questions appear in a pending review state, allowing you to verify accuracy, difficulty, and relevance before activating them. This keeps quality high while significantly reducing manual effort. If you prefer full control, you can also create questions manually. Select Manually, choose the question type, set the complexity level, and enter your content step by step. Manual creation is ideal for custom scenarios, proprietary questions, or advanced evaluations that require precise wording. Both AI-generated and manual questions coexist seamlessly in the same system. NexSAA supports a wide range of question formats. MCQ and true or false questions are suited for quick assessments. Checkbox questions allow multiple correct answers. Descriptive and comprehensive questions evaluate depth of understanding. File upload questions support assignments and document-based submissions. Programming questions enable real-world coding evaluation without rigid test cases. Clearly display its type, complexity, program, skill unit, and active status. Every question can be edited, activated, deactivated, or deleted at any time. You can track which questions are active, revive AI-generated ones, and keep the questions bank clean and assessment ready. Pagination and search make it easy to manage large volumes without losing visibility. For comfort during long sessions, you can switch between light and dark mode instantly using the theme toggle. That's the complete question bank workflow in NexSAA. A structured foundation, AI-powered creation, manual flexibility, and full control, all built to scale assessments without compromising quality. NexSAA doesn't just help you create questions, it helps you measure skills with clarity and confidence.